Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure essentials are ready. Verify your iPad supports AirPlay and runs a current iOS. Confirm the LG TV model and that AirPlay is enabled in settings. Once done, connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi network to avoid discovery problems. If AirPlay isn't available, get a Lightning to HDMI or USB-C to HDMI adapter and an HDMI cable. Now power on the TV and set it to the input you'll use. This gets you into the first actionable step immediately. Once the prerequisites are done, decide whether to mirror wirelessly or via cable. For AirPlay, open Control Center, tap Screen Mirroring, choose your LG TV, and type the on-screen code if requested. This pairs the devices securely. For wired, plug the adapter into the iPad, run HDMI to the TV, then switch the TV to that HDMI input. Wired gives lower latency and consistent 1080p or higher. Make sure to adjust the TV's aspect ratio or overscan settings so the iPad display fills the screen properly. To complete the session, stop mirroring from Control Center or disconnect the adapter when finished so both devices return to normal. Make sure audio is routed to the TV in Control Center and enable full screen mode in apps that support it. If things go wrong, here's a key troubleshooting tip. Restart both iPad and LG TV, confirm both are on the same Wi-Fi band, and install any OS/Web OS updates. If wireless still fails, switch to a wired HDMI adapter to isolate network problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.